Hey friends, we have a plumbing inspection today. And so I am actually going to be plugging up our drain lines so that we can fill them with water and the inspector can see if there are any leaks in our system. You can see all of this piping behind me. All that has to be filled with water. You can also do this with air. We just decided to do it with water today. So we're going to start at the very end because this is where everything drains out into my septic tank. So we're going to be plugging the very end of this drain line down here with this. Now this is a 4-inch little inflatable ball. You can get these right on Amazon. So again, we're going to have to finagle things, especially at this right angle. Makes things just a little bit difficult. So what I can do is I can stick this down in here and I'm going to push it to the left so that it goes into this main 4-inch area right here. Again, that's a 4-inch test ball. The other thing I need is this nice long hose extension. You can get these on Amazon as well. And then I've moved that all the way over to our power inflator. Again, I'm using this Ryobi power inflator to inflate that ball up to plug up the end here. Now, the next thing we have to think of is how to release all this water. There's going to be a ton in there, and have it go into our septic tank instead of spray out the top here. Again, with all that water pressure, you're gonna have a massive fountain up here if we don't cover this up. So what I did is I drilled a hole in the top of this clean out plug or clean out cap here, and we're just going to tighten that down into place. Now again, the water pressure is enough where we're going to get some squirting out here, so I'll probably have to cover this with a towel. And then again, we have to really securely hold this hose as we're deflating it from the end there, because the water is going to want to suck this thing straight down into our septic tank. Literally, as soon as this thing deflates, it's going to push straight down and want to go out. Now, this is a jerry-rigged system because this is what I'm dealing with. I'm sure there's better ways of doing this. Okay, we've got the extension hose all hooked up to my power inflator. We're gonna go ahead and fill up that 4-inch test ball that's sitting right there. Now, again, you can do this with a bicycle pump. I just found this is a whole lot easier, especially because I have this tool already in my kit. I'm gonna fill to about 24 to 26 pounds of pressure. Okay, and that is how we've cut off the very bottom of our main drain. Now we need to go ahead and move up through the house and make sure all of our other fixture openings are also plugged up so water doesn't pressurize and come out of those openings.